everybody! So today is sort of going to be a different type of video, but a while ago, me and one of my best friends here on YouTube, we decided to send each other some packages. I DIY'd her some stuff and she DIY'd me some stuff. So if you want to see what I sent her, then go over and check out her channel, and if you want to see what she sent me, then be sure to keep watching. But anyways, since this is a collab, I do want to highlight Christina a little bit, so let's talk a little bit about her before I show you guys what she got me. So Christina's channel is named Cocos Christina, and she has been making videos. She basically started around the same time as when I did. And when she first started out, she made her videos in English, and her channel was growing about the same rate as mine was. And then somewhere along the lines, she decided to make another channel in her native language, which is Romania. Romania, I don't know how they say it, but the language of Romania. And all of a sudden, her channel blew up. She is nearing 100K now. She's roughly at like 75K, but I guarantee you she'll reach that 100K mark any day now. It really amazes me that somebody who started YouTube at the same time as I did is nearing 100K. So she definitely has some amazing content. She's really good at hand making things. She's very creative and artistic, so definitely check out her channel. I think you guys will love it. But anyways, let's just get into what she got me. So starting out with my favorite thing that she got me, she made me this adorable little kitty pillow. It is so freaking cute, and I just don't understand how she handmade this. It is so perfect. The seams are so perfect. The face is drawn on so well. I don't understand how she did it. It's so cute, and it matches my bedroom perfectly, which is where I keep it. I just keep it on my bed, and I get to think of Christina every time I see it. So I am obsessed with this. So the next thing she sent me is this little ceramic dish, and it's got this adorable little kawaii face on the inside. And I don't think she made the ceramic dish, but if she did, I really wouldn't be surprised. But I'm pretty sure she just painted on the little adorable kawaii face. And again, I don't understand how she knew I loved like cute, adorable kawaii things. Maybe I mentioned it somewhere on my channel. I don't know, but it just matches my house perfect, my aesthetic perfect. And it's literally like she's been to my house and seen my decor and knew exactly what to make me. All of this stuff matches my house perfectly. So Christina, you're awesome for doing that. So the next thing she sent me is this adorable little cactus ring holder. I really don't understand how she DIY'd this. It blows my mind. It's just so adorable. It matches my room perfectly, and I don't actually use it as a ring holder because I think it's too cute and I don't want to like cover up the adorableness of it. So I just keep it as like a little decor piece on my shelf in my bedroom. But I'm obsessed with this. It's so cute, and it blows my mind that she created this. It's so cute. So the next thing Christina made for me is this adorable little kitty cat mug. Again, I don't think she made the mug, but if she did, I wouldn't be surprised. But I'm pretty sure she just painted on the adorable little kitty cat face. And it blows my mind, just like everything else she sent me, of how well she drew this on the mug. Like, she's so artistic, so creative, and everything she makes is so like perfect that it looks like it was store-bought. So this is super cute. I don't actually use it as a mug because, knowing me, I'll break it when I'm doing dishes, or the picture will wear off over time from the water. So I just use it as a decor piece. It sits on my TV stand, and I think of Christina every time I see it. And I love how on the bottom she wrote "For TaraLee." So cute. I love it. And another thing that came in her package is just this cute, adorable little pink flower, and I just keep this inside the mug, and it's really cute. I love pink. So the last thing she sent me is this adorable hand-painted picture of Hello Kitty, and I just love how minimal it is. It really goes with like my house and my aesthetic. Like I said, it's like she's been in my house and she knew exactly what to make me. But it really amazes me how much she actually paid attention to my videos and the things that I mentioned that I liked, and was able to create so many adorable pieces that I will love forever. So good going, Christina. You are awesome. And what I do with this picture is it just hangs up in my bedroom, and it looks super cute in there, matches everything, and I just absolutely love it. So the last thing that came in the package, which probably isn't too important to you guys, but it's definitely one of the most important things to me, is this little handwritten note from Christina. And it is just so cute. It's so sweet, and it really amazes me how two different people from two different sides of the world, who are brought up in different cultures, different languages, can have so much in common and can become such good friends. So that's the amazing thing about YouTube. Definitely go out there and meet other YouTubers, and you can grow some really awesome relationships that you never thought you would ever have in a million years. But another thing that amazes me with this note is how perfect her handwriting is. Like, her handwriting is so creative, so pretty, so feminine, and it really reflects her DIYs and her creativity, and like how artistic and just how perfect everything is that she makes. Her handwriting is the same way. But yeah, so that is everything Christina sent me. I absolutely love everything. She made such amazing things. And if you have interest in like any of these things, then definitely go over and check out her channel because she DIYs things on her channel all the time. I think you guys will definitely love her. Go check her out. She's so sweet. She's amazing. Christina, you're the best. But anyways, as I mentioned in all of my videos, I do sell all natural skincare products over on my Etsy shop. So be sure to go over and check out my Etsy shop if that's the kind of stuff you're interested in. I have a free shipping code and a 10% off coupon code down in the description box. So use those codes if you guys would like. And just to remind you guys one more time, go over there and check out Christina's video and see what I sent her. So I do hope you guys have a great week and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye.
I'm stuck in the motions. I've been consumed by the wrath of time like I'm frozen. I'm shattered in this life. It's still the path that I've chosen. Because I've had a vision. Now I'm on a mission to find myself with you.